Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
The top vitamins that boost your metabolism for fast weight loss. Metabolism refers to the sum of all chemical reactions that occur within an organism to maintain life. It includes processes such as the breakdown of nutrients to provide energy, the synthesis of molecules necessary for growth and repair, and the elimination of waste products. It is basically the rate at which their body burns calories. Metabolism can be divided into two main types, catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is the breakdown of molecules into simpler compounds, typically releasing energy. Anabolism, on the other hand, is the synthesis of complex molecules from simpler ones, typically requiring energy. It is essential for all living organisms, from single-celled bacteria to complex multicellular animals like humans. It can be influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, age, diet, and physical activity. Having a healthy metabolism is important for several reasons, including energy production. Metabolism is responsible for converting the food we eat into energy that our cells can use to perform various functions. A healthy metabolism ensures that the body has a steady supply of energy to perform essential activities such as breathing, digestion, and physical activity. Weight management. A healthy metabolism plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy weight. When the metabolism is functioning optimally, the body is better able to burn calories efficiently, which can help prevent weight gain and obesity. Hormone regulation. The metabolism helps regulate the production and release of hormones, which play a critical role in many bodily functions, including growth, mood, and reproductive health. Nutrient absorption. A healthy metabolism ensures that the body is properly absorbing and utilizing the nutrients from the food we eat, which is essential for overall health and wellness. Disease prevention. A healthy metabolism can help reduce the risk of several chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and some types of cancer. Fortunately, there are natural methods, foods and vitamins that can be used to speed up fat burning and repair a slow/broken metabolism. In this video we will talk about vitamins that can be used to boost your metabolic rate and help your body tap into its fat stores for energy. The word vitamins is broadly used as a blanket term to include minerals, herbs and natural remedies that you can use to boost your metabolism. Please note this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, please do speak to your doctor. Potassium and magnesium. These are important minerals that are essential for many biological processes in the body, including those involved in metabolism. Here's how these minerals can boost metabolism. Potassium is a mineral that plays a role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and fluid balance in the body. It also helps to regulate the metabolic rate. Research has shown that low levels of potassium in the body can lead to a slower metabolism, while getting enough potassium can help support a healthy metabolic rate. Foods that are high in potassium include bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, and avocados. Magnesium is another mineral that is involved in many metabolic processes in the body. It is necessary for the production of ATP, which is the primary source of energy for the body's cells. Magnesium also plays a role in the metabolism of glucose and the regulation of insulin levels. Low levels of magnesium have been associated with a slower metabolic rate and a higher risk of metabolic disorders such as type 2 diabetes. Foods that are high in magnesium include almonds, spinach, black beans, and whole grains. Getting more of these minerals helps insulin work better in transporting fuel into your cells, so your body naturally needs less insulin, making it easier to lose weight. If you wish, you can start consuming a high-quality electrolyte powder with water every day. Make sure to choose a brand which contains potassium citrate and magnesium citrate. This will help you to lose body fat, reduce swelling in your tissues and boost your energy levels. The best way to get these minerals, however, is naturally by eating leafy green vegetables. Vitamin B complex. It is a group of water-soluble vitamins that work together to support various functions in the body, including energy production and metabolism. The B vitamins include thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, folic acid, B9, and cobalamin, B12. They help boost metabolism by energy production. B vitamins are involved in the process of converting food into energy. They help the body break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into fuel that can be used by the cells. This process is known as cellular respiration, and it requires a range of B vitamins to function properly. Role in enzymes. B vitamins also play a crucial role in the production of enzymes that are involved in metabolic processes. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions in the body. Without the necessary B vitamins, the enzymes responsible for metabolism cannot function properly. Hormone production. B vitamins are also involved in the production of hormones that regulate metabolism. For example, vitamin B6 is required for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and appetite. DNA synthesis. Some B vitamins, such as folic acid and vitamin B12, are involved in the synthesis of DNA, the genetic material of the body's cells. This is important for the growth and repair of cells, including those involved in metabolism. To help boost your metabolism, start eating 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast each day, which is the best natural source of B vitamins. It can be added to soups, yogurts, salads, curries or stir-fries. We also recommend eating seafood at least twice per week, including wild salmon, mussels, crab meat and shellfish, as these are rich in vitamin B12. Apple cider vinegar, acetic acid. It is a fermented liquid made from apples, and it is a popular natural remedy for a variety of health issues. It can help boost metabolism in several ways, including apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to have a positive impact on metabolism. Acetic acid can help activate an enzyme called AMPK, adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase, which plays a role in energy metabolism. When AMPK is activated, it can help promote the breakdown of fat and reduce the storage of fat in the body. This can lead to increased energy expenditure and weight loss, which can in turn support a healthy metabolism. Apple cider vinegar has also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels are high, the body can store excess glucose as fat, which can slow down metabolism. By promoting stable blood sugar levels, apple cider vinegar can help the body maintain a healthy metabolic rate and burn fat for energy more efficiently. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to help reduce appetite and promote a feeling of fullness. When we feel full, we are less likely to overeat or consume excess calories, which can slow down metabolism and lead to weight gain. By consuming fewer calories, the body can more easily maintain a healthy metabolic rate. Apple cider vinegar can also support healthy digestion by promoting the production of stomach acid and enzymes, which can improve the breakdown of food and nutrient absorption. Start consuming 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in 8 ounces of water before eating a meal. Or consuming 2 to 3 capsules, 1,000 milligrams, of powdered ACV. Turmeric and black pepper. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, is believed to be responsible for many of its health benefits. Why is it important to add black pepper? Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to enhance the bioavailability of curcumin. Curcumin is not very well absorbed by the body on its own, but when combined with piperine, its absorption can be increased. By adding black pepper to turmeric, you can help the body absorb more curcumin, which can increase its effectiveness in boosting metabolism and promoting overall health. Turmeric has been shown to have a thermogenic effect on the body, meaning it can increase body temperature and metabolic rate. This can help the body burn more calories and promote weight loss. It can also increase energy expenditure by enhancing the activity of brown fat, which is a type of fat that burns calories to produce heat. By increasing energy expenditure, turmeric can help boost metabolism and support weight loss. Turmeric has potent anti-inflammatory effects, which can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of metabolic disorders such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. When the body is less inflamed, it can function more efficiently, which can support metabolic health. Vitamin D. Most overweight people have a vitamin D deficiency. It has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and when the body becomes resistant to insulin, it can lead to weight gain and metabolic disorders such as type 2 diabetes. Improving insulin sensitivity. Vitamin D can help the body use glucose more efficiently and promote healthy metabolic function. It can also increase energy expenditure by activating the thermogenic pathway. This pathway helps the body produce heat and burn calories, which can promote weight loss and support metabolic health. Vitamin D is also known as the sunshine vitamin, because your body makes it when your skin is exposed to UV rays from the sun. You can also boost your vitamin D by taking supplements. Trace minerals, iodine, selenium and chromium. They are essential micronutrients that are required in small amounts for optimal health, and they play an important role in boosting metabolism. Iodine is essential for the production of thyroid hormones, which regulate the body's metabolic rate. When the body doesn't get enough iodine, it can lead to an underactive thyroid, which can slow down metabolism and lead to weight gain. By ensuring adequate iodine intake, the body can produce enough thyroid hormones to support a healthy metabolic rate. Selenium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in the production of thyroid hormones. It also has antioxidant properties that can help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Chromium is a mineral that is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates and fats. It helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity, which can help prevent insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. By improving glucose metabolism, chromium can help boost metabolism and support healthy weight management. You can purchase trace mineral drops, and add these to a glass of water to support your metabolism. These drops contain over 70 minerals which also play a role in strengthening your hair, nails and supporting healthy skin. You can also add them to an electrolyte powder drink. You can also get iodine naturally along with many other trace minerals by eating sea kelp, nori and other sea vegetables, because the seawater has a naturally high mineral content which is absorbed by the plants. Selenium is highly concentrated in Brazil nuts. You can get chromium in a tablet form called chromium picolinate, or consume it naturally from broccoli, organ meats such as liver or mussels. By incorporating metabolism-boosting foods and adding healthy habits to our daily routine, we can support a healthy metabolism and improve our overall health. With a better understanding of how metabolism works, we can make informed choices to optimize our metabolic function and improve our overall well-being.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.